Real, no real in this real. We won't need no restraint. We ain't giving up. We ain't giving up. Get before this honor or this day. So brother run like a river Jordan. No one wanna play the small one, but I will play the smart one and take my depart with caution. Bygone to Saigon, cause the war's still going on. I gotta say bygone to Saigon. In my mind peace lingers on the man. I gotta say bygone to Saigon, cause the war's still going on. I gotta say bygone to Saigon. Saigon, Saigon, yeah. The war is going on, yeah. I said bygone to Saigon. I said bygone, bygone to Saigon. The war is going on. What's running? War is going on. That's why they say, one love my brother, one love my sister, put away the gun. One love, crime and violence we must done. Crime and violence is mashing up the economy. Why can't we come together and live like one family? Oh God, if I love you and you love me, what a wonderful world it will be. When I say bygones, bygones will bygone, Lord. Bygones, bygones inside. Oh Lord, one love my brother, one love my sister, put away the guns. One love, crime and violence we must done. One love, my brother, island, up the economy. Why can't we come together, live in love and unity? Hey, one love, my brother, one love, my sister, put away the gun. One love, crime and violence we must done. Make a crime and violence we cease, and put the condom at the bottom of the sea, that everyone could get to put at them safe. They want the crime and violence we stop. Me I beg the thugs them say don't boast no job. Don't you see, grandma want to enter shop. Hey, one love, my brother, one love, my sister, put away the guns. One love, crime and violence we must done. Bygones be bygones, bygones be bygones, Lord. No more crime and violence. I say bygones. The bygones be bygones. No more reprisal. The bygones be bygones. One love, my brother. One love, my sister. Put away the guns. One love, crime and violence we must done. The crime and violence we cease. I put the good man the bottom of the sea. They tell everyone, good enjoy their faith. Bygones, brother, bygones, bygones, no more violence. Oh God, I say, one love, my brother, one love, my sister, put away the gun.
one love, one love. Crime and violence we must done. Hey, we're heading for a world war. We're heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. Look around and you will see. World War III. We're heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. But we don't want no more war. We're heading for a world war. We need another world war. We don't need a world war. What's the world need is love. Oh Lord, hey. Go to the young table and sit and talk it over. War is not the way, but love is the answer. Tell me what you're fighting for. Some fighting for island tar. Some fighting for silver and gold. Some fighting to rule the whole world. Heading for a world war. But we know I know world war. We know I know world war. Put down the gun and stop this war. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. We know I know war. No more war. No more war. Hey. Well, leaders come together and leave us one. No matter your class, your race, nor religion. Divided we fall, united we stand. Why can't we come together and live as one? Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. That's money. But we know I no more war. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. America don't make it reach so far. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war. Heading for a world war, Lord. Russia don't make it reach so far. Hey. Go to the conference table and sit and talk it over. War is not the way. Love is the answer. Oh Lord, tell me what you're fighting for. Tell me what you're fighting for. So fighting for island tar. Fighting they want to be the star. Tell me what you're fighting for.